So all I'm doing is rolling it around in my disco dust, see? And when it's done, hopefully, I can just kind of skewer it and really attach it on there. And we have the first of our bubbles. And I am just going to kind of do something fun with our wire. And we'll stick it in our foam to dry. Oop. Just like that. Also, if you want to really give your wire some personality before you put your bubble on there, you can go ahead and do that. So now that we have our wired bubbles and they're drying, we're just going to go ahead and pre-make some more bubbles that we're going to put on the cake itself. Now the great thing about these bubbles is that they don't have to be all the same size. You want them as round as possible, so make sure that you're rolling nice round bubbles. But they can be a variety of different sizes. Some will be larger than others, some will be smaller, and you really don't need to spend all that much time or effort making them. And because we don't really want to overwhelm how pretty our sugar looks, we're not actually going to make very many. I'd say no more than 20. And once you're done rolling them in the disco dust or the luster dust like we did our wired bubbles, you can just go ahead and put them on a plate. You will end up with a flat spot, but that's okay because we're going to be adhering these right to the cake itself, so that's not going to make much of an impact if it has a flat spot. And once I started rolling them, I decided I didn't really like the way that antique silk looked, so I'm just going to stick with the two different types of color, which is our disco dust and our white sparkle.